Hello everyone, I am Akhil Rajatnam and welcome to today's budget analysis session. So in this series, we'll be analyzing the impact of various sectors on the budget. So we have already discussed the overview of this year's budget as well as the specifically focusing on the agriculture sector. So today we'll be analyzing the impact of this Indian Union Budget 2025-26 on the specifically on the MSME sector. Okay, so this is actually a screen grab from the this year's budget release itself. So here you can see that they have actually divided this into various sectors. One is agriculture, other one is MSME, and the one is investment and export. So these are the main areas which they have actually segregated. Okay, so in this particular session, we'll be focusing on the MSME sector. Okay, so we'll be focusing on the MSME sector. Okay, so we need to understand what is this MSME. We are not going into detail, we'll be focusing only on this. What are the initiatives as well as what are the challenges, but still MSME means micro, small and medium enterprise. Okay, so MSME stands for micro, small and medium. Micro, small and medium enterprise. I'm not going into this turnover limits and also each category like micro, small and medium. So what is the significance of this MSME sectors? It's a very crucial segment of our economy and it can even be said as one of the backbones of India's industrial as well as economic growth. Okay, so it's actually why I'm saying industrial and economic growth, because it's actually playing a very key role in one, providing employment. Okay, providing employment. Another one regarding innovation, promoting this innovation, and also its contribution to India's GDP. So in all these categories, it's one of the crucial backbones of India's industrial as well as economic development. Okay, so before we delve into this budget initiatives, how much has been allocated for which all are the schemes, let's understand what are the challenges these MSME sector is actually facing. It's very important to understand the challenges. Then only we'll be able to understand why they have allotted this much. Okay, so one of the major challenges which these MSME sectors is facing is its limited ability to scale. So many MSMEs are actually struggling with this scaling operation, especially due to this low turnover, low investment, low investment and turnover limit, low investment and turnover limit. So that was one of the, or maybe now also one of the major issues this MSME sector has been facing. Another important thing is difficulty in accessing affordable capital. Difficulty in accessing affordable capital. So securing the funding for expansion, it is becoming very difficult for this MSME, especially when it comes to this acquiring loans at reasonable interest rate. So that is also a major issue. Okay, low interest loans. Low interest loans. Securing this is becoming very difficult. Credit availability is a very important issue. Another one, low technological capabilities. Many MSMEs are lacking the access to latest technology. So this is also limiting their efficiency and competitiveness, not just in our global market, but also in the not just in domestic market, but also in the global market. Okay, so this is also one major issue. Another one is high operational cost and limited working capital. High operational cost and limited working capital. So here also again these are small business only. So small business often have insufficient working capital. So this can again lead to reliance on informal lending sources. So informal lending sources means obviously the interest rate will be high. Interest rates will be high. Again, this is also one of the major issues these MSMEs are facing. Okay, so now we understood what are the challenges these MSME sector is facing. So now let's discuss some of the important key initiative introduced in the budget 2025-2026, and some of these challenges are also to some extent they have addressed in this particular budget. Okay, all right, so we'll see the key initiatives. Alright, so these are some of the key initiatives. Again, this also, it's actually the screen grab from the budget document itself. Okay, so a key initiative is the introduction of customized credit cards. Customized credit card for this micro enterprise. So they have to register in the Udyam portal. They have to register in the Udyam portal. Okay, so then only they'll be getting this customized credit card with a 5 lakh limit. 5 lakh limit that will be given for the micro enterprises. Micro enterprises registered in the Udyam portal. Okay, so this will be having 5 lakh credit limit and this will and up to 10 lakh credit cards will be issued in the first year. So this is what the government has said, and this will help these micro enterprises to streamline their financial operations and even reduce the reliance on this informal lending channel. We already discussed what is issue with informal lending channels. They'll be having high interest rate, but here that issue won't be there. Okay. Another key initiative is a financial support for first time entrepreneurs. Financial support for first time entrepreneurs. So this is also very important key initiative in this regard. Entrepreneurs, especially women, SCs and ST. So these entrepreneurs often face financial barriers when starting their business. So to address this, a new scheme will provide term loans of up to 2 crores. Term loans of up to 2 crores during the next 5 years. Term loans of up to 2 crores for the next 5 years for first time entrepreneurs from this particular community. Again, this initiative will also help promote the inclusive growth, especially among this historically underrepresented group like women, SCs and STs. Okay. All right. So one of the major challenges MSME faces access to credit. So to address this, a credit guarantee scheme is also introduced. Okay, credit guarantee scheme has been revamped. So here you can see that what is actually the old credit guarantee cover and what is actually the revised credit guarantee cover. Again, this is also screened out from the budget document itself. Okay, so credit guarantee cover for micro and small enterprises, that will be doubled from 5 crore to 10 crore. Okay, so that will be doubled for MSEs, micro and small enterprises, it will be doubled from 5 crore to, it has been revised to 10 crore. Okay, so this is a major challenge, major initiative, and this will initiative 1.5 lakh crore in additional credit. 1.5 lakh crore in additional credit, and the time period will be next 5 years. Okay, 1.5 lakh crores of additional credit will be there. Okay, additional credit will be given over the next 5 years. And also startups, for startups also they have revised it from the current 10 to 20. Okay, from now it is 10 crore. From 10 crore it has been increased to, the credit cover has been increased to 20 crore. Again, here also a reduced guarantee fee of 1% loans. Okay, reduced guarantee fee of 1% loan, 1% for the loans in 27 focus areas will be there, and these focus areas will be under the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. It will be under the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. Okay, so reduced guarantee fee of 1% for the loans in these 22 focus sectors, 27 focus sectors. 27 focus sectors under the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. Again, for export MSMEs also, for them also there is actually a change. So term loans will be available for up to 20 crore. Okay, for this exporter MSMEs, term loans will be available up to 20 crore. Again, this will also promote the global competitiveness of Indian MSMEs. Okay, all right. Again, to help this MSME scale up and improve access to capital, the investment and turnover limits for MSMEs has also been increased. Okay, so that has been increased by 2.5 times and 2 times, 2.5 times and 2 times respectively. So here you can see that from the investment limits, what is actually the investment limit. So MSMEs can now invest up to 2.5 crores. Earlier it was 1 crore. Now they can, micro enterprises can invest up to now 2.5 crore. Earlier previously it was 1 crore. Again, the turnover has also been changed. The turnover limit has been revised from 5 crore to 10 crore. Okay, so this is regarding investment. This is regarding turnover. Turnover has been increased from 5 crore to 10 crore. Okay, so this initiative will also help these businesses scale up and also improve the efficiency and even access more capital for upgrading the technology, but also they can retain the benefit of being classified as MSME. Okay, so slowly they are moving towards a better ecosystem. Okay, all right. Again, a medium enterprise also, it is like earlier it was 50, now they have 50 crore, now they have moved to 120 crore. Again, turnover also goes 250 crore, now they have moved to 500 role. Okay, so to support the startups, many things are, government is doing a lot of things regard to support this startups. And one major thing is a new fund of funds will be added. So it will be having an addition of 10,000 crore. Okay, a new fund of funds. A new fund of funds will be with an additional 10,000 crore will be established. Okay, so this fund will complement the existing fund of funds program, which has already committed 91,000. Okay, 91,000 crore to. So these are actually got through something known as AIF or alternate investment scheme. AIF or alternate investment fund. Okay, alternate investment. Again, this will also significantly expand the funding options for innovation driven enterprises. Okay, all right. Now coming to various sectors, you can see that footwear sector, the focus product scheme for footwear and leather sectors will be implemented. Okay, so this scheme is expected to facilitate employment for 22 lakh persons and generate turnover of 4 lakh core and export of over 1.1 lakh. You know, right? This is a very important sector which is having a huge employment potential. So that will be tapped upon. Okay, so this is one of the major initiative, and also to support the food processing industry. To support the food processing industry, the government is setting up a National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management. Okay, National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management. Where it will be located? It will be in Bihar. Okay, it will be in Bihar. So again, this institute will also focus on entrepreneurial skill development, innovation, and even value added food production. Okay, it's a very important initiative, and again, it's going to significantly benefit the farmers and MSMEs involved in food processing. Okay, you know, right? Food processing is very much important for farmers also. Why? Because otherwise the wastage will be happening. So basically, we have to have a lot of investment in that particular area. Okay. All right. Another thing is, India is a significant importer of toys. Okay, despite having the potential to manufacture them domestically, India is actually importing, especially from China and all. We are importing a lot of toys. So to address this, also the government is launching a national toy manufacturing initiative. Okay, a national toy manufacturing initiative. National Toy Manufacturing Initiative is brought up by Government of India. So again, this is aimed at making India a global hub for toy production. And again, this will also be coming under, you know, this is something which is increase the domestic production. So obviously, it will be coming under Make in India. It will be coming under the banner of Make in India. Okay, Make in India. So Make in India, right? Again, this initiative will also help reduce India's reliance on the toy imports, and it will be boosting the domestic production, even create the employment opportunity. Both this leather sector and this toy sector, they have enormous potential to boost the employment opportunities, create opportunities in the employment sector. Okay. Another important initiative is the National Manufacturing Mission. Okay, National Manufacturing Mission. Okay, so here you can see that what are mandates, ease and cost of doing business will be improved. Okay, so this will also promote this domestic manufacturing and even strengthen the Make in India initiative movement. Again, for that only they have focused this mission. So the mission will focus on MSMEs, small, medium and even large enterprise also. It will be focusing. The main agenda will be to establish a policy framework, and even the execution roadmaps for this manufacturing growth also has to be established. Okay, and also they will be promoting this clean tech manufacturing. Okay, that's also very important thing, clean tech manufacturing without harming the environment, to make it more eco-friendly, and even this will be supporting India's climate-friendly development goals. We have some SDG goals and all will be there. Okay, so the key sectors under this mission will be one, solar energy will be there. EV batteries will be there, green hydrogen production. Okay, one will be solar energy will be there. Okay, and green hydrogen, solar energy, green hydrogen, and even very promising technology, that is EV, electric vehicle, especially this battery technology. Okay. Okay. So this will be the key focus areas of this particular initiatives. Okay. And again, this is actually a vibrant and dynamic sector, and they'll ensure that there will be availability of technology, and obviously the products will be of that kind of a quality, and obviously this is also having very huge potential for creating a employment opportunities. Okay. All right. So looking ahead, the government's focus on this MSME sector in this union budget will drive significant growth. Okay, you know, right? This MSME sector is actually contributing a lot to the India's GDP. So obviously this will be helpful. Okay, and key areas to monitor include: one, innovation and technology will be there, and this MSME sector will see very increasing technology adoption and innovation through various financial and policy support, and obviously financial inclusion is also very important area. For example, that's why we have implemented something like the customized credit card and increasing the credit cover, and also inclusive growth is also part of this initiative. Why? Because women, SC, ST entrepreneurs, so they'll also be part of this, and but this their promotion schemes are also bringing up. Okay, and also all this will ensure that we are having a global competitiveness. We have already discussed some sectors like, for example, the manufacturing, footwear and leather manufacturing sectors, and also this that food processing industries we have discussed, and also obviously the toy industry. Okay, which is having enormous potential to make India global competitor. Okay. All right. So through this increased capital access, credit guarantee, and even support for innovation, and even the stronger focus on inclusive growth, so the government is aiming to transform this MSME sector into a major contributor to India's economic growth itself. Okay, so this is regarding the government initiatives in this government initiative which were announced in this union budget of 2025. Okay, 2025-2026. Okay, so we'll have more sectors will be coming, so we'll be discussing that particular sectors also in this upcoming sessions. Okay, all right, so that's it for today. Thank you.